Hi guys, welcome back to Create with Chidex. My name is Chidema. Thank you so much for stopping by today. I really do appreciate it. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I made an abstract art canvas cake. So without wasting so much of your time, let's get started. I started by carving out some sheet cakes, enough to cover up my cake board. I'm going to be attaching these pieces of cake to the board using buttercream while I'm carving. As you can see, I had to add some smaller pieces of cake to make sure that I covered the entire surface of the board. Now I'm going to attach the smaller pieces with buttercream. Now that I've attached all my cake pieces to the board, I'll use a serrated knife to start leveling the cake. My cake is all leveled up, and now I'll cover it with buttercream. Now that I've covered my cake in buttercream, I'll put it in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes. Then when it's completely chilled, I'll bring it out and cover it in rolled out fondant. Before starting to roll out my fondant, I'll first of all roll it into a log that is about the same width as that of my cake. Now I'm going to roll it out with my rolling pin. I sprinkled some corn flour on my surface to prevent the fondant from sticking to it. When I've gotten the fondant to a little over the size of my cake, I'll drape it over the cake to cover it. Here I'm just trying to stretch the fondant over the sides of the cake, and as soon as I've covered all parts of the cake, I'll use my fondant smoother to smoothen the cake. Next, I'm going to cut off the excess fondant with an X-Acto blade. To paint the verses, I mixed some autumn leaf gel color by Sugar Flare with some vodka. The color is a sort of burnt orange color. And then for the plant, I used green gel color mixed with vodka. And finally, you have it. Our canvas art cake is done. And as usual, I'm going to cut it. I've now come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!